Hi guys, I want to share with you our very special night celebrating my mom's birthday. Dito lang yan sa Diamond Hotel. The moment I sat down, I knew we were in for a feast. They first started with the miso soup, earthy, warm, and comforting. Next, my assorted sushi and sashimi. Of course, I grab a lot of sashimi. Cause you know, I like it raw. Nakadami ako niyan, siguro mga nasa 5-6. Then, nagprepare na si chef ng seafood fried rice. It was exactly how fried rice should be. Flavorful, aromatic, and packed with ingredients. The chef even showed us a few tricks which made the whole experience fun, enjoyable, and honestly, unforgettable. After that, nag-serve na sila ng prime rib. And my God, it was a sensation in my mouth. And then came the ribeye. It was incredibly tender, beautifully cooked, juicy, flavorful, and perfectly seasoned. Every bite felt like it melted in my mouth. It's the kind of dish that makes you stop talking for a moment just to appreciate how good it is. We then move on to the seafood, starting with their scallops and shrimp. And I'm telling you right now, book a table here with your special someone because I'm telling you now, I'm telling you this now, bubulong yan sa'yo. Sasabihin sa'yo, bembangin mo ako. We then finish off the night with a caramel cheesecake ice cream. This whole night was an experience and I'm just so happy I got to enjoy it. Yun lang guys, and see you on my next vlog.